What's up guys, it's Flash at tradingwithflash.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Tradenet introduction pack and the $14,000 account I use and how my experience has gone so far, so stay tuned. I get asked this a lot, is the Tradenet real or is it a scam?
What's up guys, I had to interrupt the video and I do apologise. I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The Flash Forward day trading course is out now. If you're interested to learn how to trade stocks the correct way, check the link out below guys. God bless.
I recently activated my live account with Tradenet of $14,000 and I can tell you it is real. I have been growing that account and it is legitimate. So that's one of the videos I wanted to make, that it is kind of a big worry that you're concerning. Oh, is it real? Do they really give you $14,000? Yes, they do. I use it. It's real. It's growing. I keep 70% of the profits made. Again, just be aware that if you do the introduction pack, for example, it's $500. They allow you to lose up to $700 of the $14,000 and the account's closed. So bear that in mind. You cannot lose $14,000 and you're not responsible for the $700 you do lose. So that's another benefit. But my experience so far is I was on a 7-day win streak on my Tradenet account and I did not take one red trade until yesterday. I took a huge red trade. So I'm just letting you know of my update on my Tradenet account. It was going super well. It is real. It's not a scam. And that's just my feedback on the Tradenet $14,000 introduction package. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. God bless. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned.